I know what it's like to be completely overwhelmed and confused by all the different choices of wood finishes. Polyurethane or lacquer, wipe-on or spray-on, and what the heck is tung oil? I'm Jen Woodhouse from the House of Wood, and today I'm working with WATCO, and we're talking about the most common wood finishes, the differences between them, and how to choose the right product for your project. Clear finishes help protect the wood against damage from moisture, UV rays, and everyday wear and tear, so it not only makes your project more durable, but it brings out the natural beauty of the wood grain. Whichever finish you choose, preparation is key. You can check out the basics of finishing video on my YouTube channel for a closer look on how to prep your project before applying a protective top coat. Rejuvenating oil. It's like a moisturizer for old wood, and it's designed to restore oil finishes. It removes surface grime and it creates a renewed luster and protection. It rejuvenates and restores old wood. You just wipe it on, wait 10 minutes, and then wipe it off. Now, if you apply this over a wax finish, there's no need to strip the wax because the rejuvenating oil will dissolve the wax and remove minor surface scratches. Here you can see how easy this is to use and how this product can beautifully restore worn down surfaces. I hope this video helped you understand more about these different finishes and what they do so you know exactly which product to use for your next project. If you want to see more DIY projects and ideas, visit jenwoodhouse.com. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.